Okay, boys and girls, so today we are going to focus on slide 9. Yesterday we focused, or most of us did. I have a few people who did not do slide number 8, so I need you to go ahead and go back and do that today if you haven't yet done that. So if you did what you were supposed to do, then you completed slide 8 yesterday, and that was our planning page. So that was kind of you finally narrowing down your topic that you're going to write your story about, and then writing some things that some events that happened in that with that topic. So today what we're going to do is really focus in on our topic. So you're going to go ahead and put your topic in the middle, whatever you're choosing to write about. And then we're going to go and fill in our graphic organizer with the who was a part of the experience. So and the more detailed you are on this web, the easier it will be to start writing your rough draft once we get there. So try and be as detailed as possible. I know it's small. Obviously, you can't fit whole paragraphs in here, but try and be as detailed as possible as you can for the space that's provided. So who was a part of the experience? Who was there? What happened? I know I saw some people were writing about vacation. Some people were writing about an injury. Some people were writing about a sports event. So there's a lot of cool topics as I was scrolling through that people have chosen. When did it happen? That's important to the setting of the story. When. And it doesn't have to be necessarily the year or just the age. It can also be the time of year, summer, winter, whatever. Where did it happen? Very important to the plot. Why did the experience impact you? So you need to answer this question. Why was it something that you remember, and something that you remember so well that you're going to choose to write about it? So, why did it impact you? How did you change? So that's kind of the theme, like the lesson. How did you change because of this story? I know I read one planning page where somebody said they injured themselves, and they explained in the events that how they did it, and then they said that they would never do that again because obviously they were injured and had to go to the hospital and fix the injury. So how did you change? What did you learn from this experience? And then up here is what did you learn? So how did you change? What did you learn? That person learned to not do that again. How did they change? They changed because before they thought it was a good idea and something fun to do, and now they know they are wiser. So they became more wise because of the experience that person, the injured person, had. Okay, so again, this is kind of like a brainstorming web, just going through the who, what, when, where, why, who's involved, where did it happen, how did you change, what did you learn. Those are all important things that you need for a good narrative. So that is what we are going to be doing and filling out today. Again, it is slide 9, so you are only responsible for slide 9 today. However, I do have quite a few people who still are behind and did not do slide 8. And I even have some people who didn't start at all. So I really need everybody to get started and catch up so that you can be where the rest of us are while we are going through this unit. Have fun. Happy planning.